Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Yule glowix 17-inch Halloween yard signs Tombstones for Graves decor set with stakes. There are features include Tombstones for Graves Halloween. Includes 6 premium Halloween tombstones for yard, 17-inch tall, with heavy-duty stakes. Creates instant Halloween graveyard decorations with minimal setup. The classic image animated character designs. Features tombstone Halloween decor with hilarious cartoon ghosts and monsters. Optical illusion effects make characters appear to move from different angles. Halloween tombstones outdoor. Constructed from weatherproof Gravestones Halloween yard signs decorations grade plastic. 3D stone texture printing withstands rain, wind, and multiple Halloween seasons. Quick graveyard setup. Simply stake these Halloween decorations outdoor tombstones into any lawn. Pairs perfectly with other headstones for Graves Halloween displays. Halloween tombstones for yard. Transforms yards, parties, and offices into haunted wonderlands. Ideal for family-friendly Halloween tombstones outdoor displays. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.